Okay. So in hopes that today's will be more exciting for Xander, because it was raining and crappy and we couldn't really go outside, we're going to do some science experiments, right? We're going to do some chemical reactions.
Yeah, but what?
And he has no idea what they are or what they're going to do.
Yeah, and I want to see the volcano.
What do you mean you want to see the volcano?
I see the volcano rise.
How do you get a volcano?
With paper towels, like this paper towel thing, and you put it in that green thing, and the fall, and then it goes up and it crashes, and it floats.
So apparently, maybe in his class or something, they've done this before. He doesn't know all the parts. I didn't even tell him the parts, but I guess he saw the powder and vinegar and kind of knew what it was.
Are you really going to do this now?
So we'll see what happens. We're going to take this off, right?
Yeah.
Put some vinegar in here. Well, that's a ton. And then we're going to take some of this. Can you go give me a spoon?
Yeah. I ain't going to use spoon because I'm in good health.
Okay.
What's this? Big.
Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll take,
This and scoop
we'll
what?
scoop some,
Cookie dough.
no, it's baking soda.
What is baking soda so hard?
And we'll put it right there in our lid. And then we got to put the lid on
And
really quick. Ready?
Yeah,
And count down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! It's rising! Like a volcano! Mommy, can we do the balloons? The balloons?
You've done that. Have you done this before?
Yeah, I done.
Did you do it at school?
Yeah. I really want to do the
Well, at least they're doing
balloon.
science stuff at school, which is good.
I want to do the balloon one.
Do you know where any balloons are?
From the store?
So we found a water bottle and we found some what? Balloons. And so we're going to do the balloon blow up one.
Yeah, we're gonna get some of that in there. We're gonna get some of that.
So we're going to add, we're adding vinegar to the water bottle.
Yeah, and we're gonna get some of that in there. And it's gonna go up in the balloon.
And then we're going to add some,
What goes up in the balloon, Xander?
what blows up the balloon?
Soda?
No.
Blowing!
No, you know, carbon dioxide is what blows up the balloon. So we'll take our funnel and our baking soda
Yeah,
and put it in
yeah,
here.
and we're gonna put it in the cup, and they gotta rise into the balloon.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's gonna go in the balloon, and it's gonna
Alright.
ride in the balloon.
Okay, so now we put the balloon.
On
These are
the-
small ones. I'm afraid they're going to rip. I want to put it in my lap.
And how are you gonna stretch it?
Okay, we got it. Stretch over it. So now, Xander, now lift the balloon and put all the powder in the bottle. Lift it up higher. Like that. Keep lifting it. There it goes.
See it.
So that's carbon dioxide in there, Xander. Ooh, it's so, feel it, it's so tight. Oh my goodness, it's such a tight balloon. Let it do all its reactions and give off all the carbon dioxide. Sounds like it's done.
Yeah, can we tie it with a bow and then so we don't pour that out?
Oh, you want me to tie this balloon up?
Yeah, so I can hold it with you.
Okay, so we'll tie the balloon up.
Yeah, and it's gonna be my balloon.
It's gonna be your balloon?
Yeah, and I'm gonna hold it.
Okay. So the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to crush this can right there, or is
Yeah.
that?
The
Right here.
wax. The wax. I'm gonna do water.
One more thing. We're gonna crush it just with air pressure. And so the way this works
Daddy.
is we'll heat up the can, and then we'll rapidly cool it, and we'll show you what happens, and then we'll talk about what happens
Yeah,
in the
and
slow-mo
yeah.
afterwards.
Right there, like a balloon.
You have no idea what it's gonna do, Xander.
It's gonna rise like a balloon.
So the first thing we'll do is heat up the can until it's boiling, get a lot of steam coming out, and then we'll flip it over with the opening down into the ice water.
But what's it?
We're about to crush it. We'll do it all in slow-mo,
Yeah.
and so you'll see it crushed, and we'll talk about what's happening, why it's crushing.
It's funny.
You ready? Alright, so switch to slow-mo, and then you'll hear me talking over it. Okay. Where am I? There. You ready, Xander?
Yeah.
I hope this works. When we heat it up, do you know what happened to the water as we heated it up?
Yeah. And
It turned to gas.
it turned to gas.
It turned to gas, and that gas, because of some gas laws, I'm not going to go into much depth of, gas, when you heat it up, expands. All right? So it expands, it gets bigger, it wants to basically go wherever it can.
Yeah.
And so what it does is it leaves the can because we have an opening, so it goes out the top. So what do you think happens to that warm air when we cool it off really, really quick?
It crushes the can.
It does, but you know why?
What?
Because the cold air gets small. The cold air gets small.
Why did it get small?
What did I say? Say it out loud.
The cold gas got small.
So as you're cooling off the air, it's doing the opposite. If hot air wants to expand, cold air wants to contract. And so it contracts, gets real small, and as a result, the air pressure on the outside of the can becomes greater than on the inside of the can, and it crushes that can down. I've seen it done with 50-gallon oil drums where they do the same thing. They heat it up with like a turkey fryer, and they boil it off.